All right, everyone. Well, the trade that we were looking at worked out like a charm, but not quite like what we expected. If you remember last night, I was talking about the double top which might be forming here. This was coming in at about 97.92. I apologize for not drawing on the screen like normal. For some reason, my drawing tools aren't working. I think I've just got to reboot my computer. But this is why I suggested taking a look at the checklist. So there was a trade here, so let's talk about this first. The market came into the double top. We got about a 65 pip move to the downside. Let's take a look at the 15-minute bar to kind of see how this whole thing played out. So if you took a look at the checklist and you were prepared, again, this is why I wanted to talk about this type of trade ahead of time. This hopefully is more along the lines of the kind of tools that will help you to trade from one day to the next. Just to kind of, I guess give a little bit of a comparison here. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the latest version of our trading system here. The trading system is designed to give you basic trade examples. I don't want to call it a trading system because it really is designed as more of an educational tool. That's my disclaimer. But it'll give you the blue and red arrows. So this is designed to give you an illustration of, here's a trade. Stan and I will get on the phone at some point and give a basic overview of the trading rules and where the whole thing it comes from. And you'll see it's tied into all of the concepts with the insider code. But you have this trading system which will generate these types of trade examples for you. But in the meantime, and I would even say in addition to that, it really helps to know what your plan is going to be in the marketplace. And it helps to know that there's a logical reason for the market to do what it does. Okay, and that I would hope that the one thing that you take and understand from the insider code is that there truly is an insider code, and it's not guys calling in smoke-filled rooms and telling each other where the market's going to go. But it really is being able to understand, number one, the way the market has to operate because of the laws of supply and demand, and number two, because of the laws of supply and demand and human psychology, how these trader firms will manipulate the market to get other people to do what they want to do their bidding, if you will. So when the market comes into, boy, that is a pathetically small arrow. Again, I apologize. So when the market comes into a high like this, okay, the